Alright, this will be the elevator. We have touring tickets right here, 90 cents at Kroger. So, this will be the elevator here at IKEA in Houston, Texas. We have an elevator here. I'm not sure what brand it is yet. I'm guessing either Coney or Schindler. The other one, which is at the very front of the store, is currently being modernized by ThyssenKrupp. I got it. This thing is huge. Step to the side just in case we may have people coming out. Look how big the doors are. This is basically a freight elevator. I bet it's gonna have a nice motor too. It's got innovation decorator buttons. Wow, look at this. Get in the frame. I'm gonna take it down real quick. I'll meet you back upstairs. I'll be up here in a moment. Alright. I think this could be a Montgomery County, I think. Let's see when this was installed. But this thing is absolutely massive. I'm using my phone, so it's an older phone, so I don't have like ultra wide or anything. I'm guessing this one is probably gonna get modernized. There we go. This machine room right here. It's got a submersible pump unit in there. And there goes the elevator. It's the motor startup. And that'll be it.